Hello everyone, welcome to lecture on mathematics. In this lecture, we are going to discuss how to use equation editor and some short tricks to type equation in MS Word file. As you know, if maths equation is very lengthy, then for typing equation, we require some symbols, some operators, and for every times we are going in the insert and then equation. It's taking too much time, and it is if we are typing the books or paper, then that time this process is very lengthy. So for that I am making this video to get idea short tricks for equation. The insert, and in insert in the right hand side we get equation. See here in the upper side there is an option insert. If we click on insert, then in the right hand side here is a pi symbol, that is right hand side equation. If we click on equation, then we get this box, type equation here. In this box we are typing the equations. For every time it is not possible to go and insert the equation at that box. For that, on the keyboard just click on Alt and plus key. If we click Alt and plus, then we get that box type equation here. That means we have to type the equation in that box. Now next is the required mathematical symbols. Usually we are using alpha, beta, gamma, mu, delta. These are the regularly we are using. For that, once we are take Alt plus, then immediately this upper side we get basic math, designs and basic maths. There are all the symbols are available, but for to avoid the searching, we have to use this syntax, that is slash, write the name of symbol. Suppose I am taking slash beta and then space, so we get symbol beta. Again see, similarly, you can write the name of any symbol, slash we write slash sum, to we get summation. If we write slash integration, then see here upper side the integration, there are different types of integration. So if we want particular, then we can select from this. Otherwise, if we write slash integration, then we get standard integration. That standard integration is see here slash integral space. So here this 1/2 pi integral slash inc, that is we get delta operator. There is also syntax for backward delta operator. I will discuss in that last. Now here see there are different types of brackets, under root, then upper side we can see integration, limit. These are the all as per our requirement you can take. Now here suppose we take slash limit, again we get the standard limit. We are not getting limit and empty space. So for limit again we have to insert from upper side. Now for power we use cap, that is a cap 3, we get a cube. Similar way, if we use underscore, that is b underscore 4 and then space, we get b lower suffix 4. That means cap used for power and underscore used for lower suffix. And if you use double dash, then our shortcut keys are stopped working. See here After a double dash, the syntax, short syntax are not working. So for a raised to power 2, if we write a cap 2, then we will not get a square. For that, we have to go upper side, script e raised to power x, and then take the power term. So please remember that if we use anywhere double dash, then our shortcut tricks are stopped for in that box. Now next we see here for under root and cube root, there are the syntax already given in the upper side symbol. If we click on the symbol, then we can see the syntax is available. That means if we are not remember the syntax, then you just click on that symbol and we get the idea about that syntax. And most of the syntax are related with their standard names. Some maybe are new that I will discuss in the last, or the PDF is given in the description box. Now see, if we write /matrix, then we get this black box. But if you want the particular matrix, then upper side we can see here different types of matrices available. But in this matrix there is no symbol of square bracket. That means we want in the close bracket square bracket matrix. For square bracket, we have to take square bracket from our keyboard, and in that square bracket we insert these boxes. After this square bracket, we have to space button. See, the size of our square bracket is increases. We are taking square bracket, then matrix, and after the square bracket we press space button. So the size of our box is increases as per our matrix size. Now next we see, suppose we want trigonometric function, then again the standard trigonometric functions are available. See the upper side, there is a function. In that function, sine, cos, tan, all the trigonometric functions are available. So you can click on that symbols or then a particular angle. Otherwise you directly type by using keyboard, that is sine space /theta to we get sine theta. Similar way you may type cos space / then theta to we get cos theta. In this way we can type trigonometric functions also. Now next we see, if we want division, then just x/y space, so we get x by y. Similarly see here, suppose we take 1/3 space, so we get 1/3. There are also symbols, multiplication, addition is already given in the keyboard. For multiplication there is a standard syntax. See the next, we are typing equation in round bracket, and then after round bracket we press space button. Then again the size of round bracket is increases as per our equation, just like as a square bracket in above equations in the 6th number. Now we require also in the maths summation and equation. So after summation we again press space button, so we get empty box. In that box we are type the term which required inside the summation. See here, n cap 3, that is n cube plus n. So this is the summation of the term. Now next we are also required some just like for all. So we can take /for all, so we get for all symbol, then / therefore, so we get therefore symbol. There are lot many symbols available in the equation editor. So these are the some standard symbols which are we frequently use in typing equations or mathematics research paper, or sometimes in the books. Other than this, if we want any symbol, then you can search in the equation editor, and once we get the symbol, then we can use that particular symbol. Now there are some remaining syntax which I have not discussed in the video. You can see this syntax and try yourself. This PDF of this syntax available in the description box. Below the video you can see the triangle. Click on that triangle, that is the description box. In that description box the PDF of this short syntax are available, so you can use and try. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.